Most cars barely make 200,000 miles. What if you could double that? No magic, no expensive engine swaps. Just 7 easy habits almost nobody follows, but professionals quietly swear by, and it also keep my car running past 700,000 miles without any rebuilds. Let's dive in. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Habit number 1. Follow the maintenance schedule like a pro. Skipping oil changes, coolant flushes, or timing belt replacements causes internal wear and sudden failures. Why it matters. Automaker schedules are based on actual engineering tests, not marketing reminders. Missing them shortens a car's lifespan. Easy habit. Firstly, grab your owner's manual or app. Write key services like oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, coolant change, brake pad change, and timing belt per your make or model. Then set calendar alerts, even if you drive very little. Remember one thing when you plan it, then stick to it. Habit number 2. Only use OEM or synthetic grade fluids and filters. Running cheap oil or generic filters causes sludge, poor lubrication, and internal engine scuffs. Why it matters. Certified journals confirm manufacturers pick mineral quality and viscosity for bigger tolerances. Synthetic with proper intervals can extend engine life by up to 50%. Easy habit. Use oil exactly matching the grade on your door jamb. For example, SAE 5W30 0W20. Extra advice. Synthetic won't save you if you skip oil changes too long. Interval still counts. Remember one thing, always chose quality, not discounts. Habit number 3. Drive smoothly. No hard accelerations or late braking. Aggressive driving causes stress on engine, brakes, suspension, and tires, speeding up wear out. Why it matters. Recent studies show aggressive driving is a top cause of premature wear, from drivetrain stress to tire fatigue. Easy habit. Accelerate gently, brake early, follow distance. If you drive there slower, that's better than wrecking it earlier with hard stops. Remember that. Accelerate easy, brake early. Habit number 4. Drive a 20 to 30 minute highway trip weekly. Frequent short trips keep engine cold, trapping moisture and fuel vapors in the oil, creating sludge. Why it matters. Reddit and mechanics forums confirm oils contaminated with water lower wear resistance, and weekly highway drives help burn off that buildup. Easy habit. Once per week, drive 20 to 30 minutes on the highway, 60 plus miles per hour. Think of it as an oil cleaning trip. Remember that. Highway oil flush weekly. Habit number 5. Fix small noises or lights right away. A squeak or slow leak turns into a $1,000 bill if ignored. Small failures cascade. Brake pad squeal, warped rotor, low fluid, pump burnout, minor leak, or engine overheating. What to do? Notice any new sound, smell, vibration, or dashboard warning light. Use a basic OBD tool or ask a mechanic to scan. Fix the cause, not just symptoms. Habit number 6. Park in the shade and prevent rodent damage. You don't think about rodents chewing wires or metal fading from sun until it's too late. Easy habit. Use covered parking when possible. Vacuum crumbs inside. Use rodent deterrents like peppermint oil. Habit number 7. Wash undercarriage after winter or salty roads. Rust builds in hidden places, not in your fancy paint. Suspension mounts, brake lines, exhaust hangers, or subframes slowly corrode. Why it matters. Experts estimate undercarriage rust causes structural and brake failures faster than engine wear. Quick fix. Use a pressure washer or take it to a wash with dedicated undercarriage spray. Wax paint and movable parts twice annually. Now you know about 7 habits. Stick to service schedule. Use OEM/synthetic fluids and parts. Drive smoothly, not fast. Take weekly highway trips. Fix small issues quickly. Store and park wisely. Wash the undercarriage. If you fixed a warning light after using these habits, share your story or code in the comments. Like and hit subscribe, and let the high mileage journey begin.